Hi there, I'm Paulina from Cutsun SVG. Welcome to my studio. Today I'm going to show you how you can assemble these photo Christmas ornaments. I pre-assembled the top frame, but in the file you will find this frame with the different elements that you can glue on top, and another version where you can only score and paint if you hate the smaller elements. The next thing is this spacer. It actually creates the room for the photo, and you need to glue it here, and of course the back round of the ornament. So let's start. Personally, I prefer to glue the spacer to the frame so I can align it well and make sure it's not visible from the front. Try to align it the best you can so it's hidden behind the original frame. And once you're ready, you can put glue here and place it onto the round. You need to align the frame to the outer edge of the ornament. Okay, so let's test it. The slot fits a photo around 5 by 5 centimeters or 2 by 2 inches. So this is how it works. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.